Hi guys, make sure to like and subscribe. We're gonna do bomb, probably. So we're gonna do, I've been a little bit of grinding, not much. Wait, how do I, okay. I might actually check how much damage this does if I got. Not much, okay. Okay, so we're gonna do ability to ability. So I'm gonna do 0 ability to trash ability to good abilities. So do you want to get on the video? Probably? Yeah, I'm probably gonna get on. Not keep you guys too much waiting. Or if I get enough coins, it counts. But I don't advise breaking. And I don't advise getting out of the you know, spike. Always nice. Rush, nice. Oh, I just found out Manibug Dealer is actually cheap. Always good to know. Just in case I want a cheap boat or something. And they said like extremely deep or something. Oh yeah, it's good to like zoom out when you're using Spike Ball because like it gets a little crazy if you're zoomed in. So definitely advise that. Tell me if you want me to play different games inside the comments. It's really hard to like film videos because like it's hard. Okay. So tell me if like anything's wrong with my PC. If I should turn up my graphics, I don't know. People do say it looks like Play-Doh. I don't know. To me, it doesn't look like Play-Doh. It looks completely fine. Let's see if I'm still good at this. Oh wait, no, still trash. What? Bruh. Wait, how do I win again? Ow. Ow, please stop, sir. Would you like to move? I feel. Yep, you would not. Stay on the ground. That'd be better. I'm gonna try and grind money. Be a username inside the comments and I might friend request you, I don't know. This is not clickbait, I actually will probably friend you. Okay, so looks like we got like decent stuff in this video. I'm gonna maybe make this into a series, I don't know. Probably add some people into the series, maybe if you tell me who you are. Like, it's always nice to play with someone. Whee! Oh, I used it so much. When I could just fling them. It was just so fun. Just grinding money right now. Get sniped. Ow, ow, ow. Please stop, that extremely hurts. Hello? Today we are mining for diamonds. Please give me your diamonds. Are you extremely... Oh. No. I didn't want to do anything. Right now, the ability I have, I cannot fight this guy. Right now, cute. Boom. Easy, always losing. Do. I'm gonna ask this guy for wait, I was just gonna make this video reasoning. I accidentally changed it, so like, why not? I'm actually not this terrible at the game. I'm just extremely rusty. I'm gonna beat this person up. Oh, you wanna go? You wanna go? Ooh, got you. Yeet. That's not nice. Okay, asking for free food. It's completely fine. Okay, it says no, that's completely fine. This child. Get like obliterated into like 10 million threads. Spikes are nice. Wonk. Wait, I'm gonna do something extremely stupid. I'm gonna ask someone to PvP for a fruit. That'd actually be kind of smart. I always own up to my PvPs and give people the items that they deserve after they push me. But this time I don't think I will, because I just have to hope I win. These children are trying to kill me. I am fast, I cannot die. We. Please, oh food, oh please. Roly-poly. I'm just gonna ask him to buy me a food. Wait, should I just confuse this guy? It's gotta be funny, Joe. If he doesn't say this, I'll probably get trouble. Oh, come on. You can only give to people in that circle. Come over here, monkey. Boom. Whee! Let's go on a film trip. Let's make my characters go wee. Bonk. Make you go wee. Then let's finish you off. Wee. Got your trash kid. But I'm gonna kill this child. I know I'm gonna ask this child if I can have something. What even is that food? Wait, is this? Okay, I'm gonna ask him if. Boom. Oh, I know this one. Okay, this is episode 1. I'm gonna do some off-camera grinding right now. Make sure to be tuned in for more videos like this. So, bye. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. You can always change.